gonna see, as I remember, the white turn, then the black, and at least the red turn. Okay. We're gonna see also a lot of houses, white houses with curved roofs. All these houses, we just call them iposkafa. As you can see, all these are iposkafa caves. We just call them caves because they have the curved roof, and because of their curved roof, we could easily collect the raining fall water. Okay, in this case, we are in the right way. Just to tell you about this way, we have the Aegean Sea, and on the other side, we can see the Columbus. First of all, as you know already, we have the colors of white and blue in our flag. So this is the white turn over here. It looks like cookies, you could say. Stracciatella. Yes, seems like stracciatella to me. So the black one, that it seems like black forest.
Black forest.
Yeah, black forest. Such a good one. Or you could say also, what else? It seems like really good with stracciatella. Over here is the red turn. The red velvet I told you about. Yes.
Wow, very nice. Oh.
Isn't it like the red velvet? It seems like the red velvet, really. Even this way, we didn't have even electricity over here in Santorini till 1967, okay? Till then, we just had only candles, okay? So with this way, just tried to use the color of the white and the reflection of the moon as a light, okay? Even in Teresia, we didn't have electricity till 1982. That's why we have a lot of eucalyptus trees on the main roads, and there seems to be really good way, just with the white bottoms, they could use them just to light up the whole road and find the correct way just to go back to their houses. Place of the behind side of EM, so you're gonna see also the beautiful the yellow church of Saint George also. And if you try to have a night over here, probably in all these hotels, you're gonna spend almost 1,000 per night. It's a little bit expensive, you could say, yes, but it's so beautiful just to enjoy this view. I know, and even to enjoy the sunset, of course. So probably everybody wants to be with the champagne in their hands, in their pool, swimming, and just enjoy the sunset. So luxurious, you could say. You are already big kids, so I'm gonna let you free just to enjoy the view over here, okay? So we are going to the beautiful Ia. to waste your time. So first of all, you need to go left, to the left side. From the left side, you're gonna find a lot of restaurants, clothes stores, souvenir stores, and of course cafeterias and gelaterias if you want to have something of this. And at the very end of this side, you're gonna find the yellow church we see before, okay? Probably they're gonna have a baptism, I don't know, just go and check it. So when you finish from this side, you're gonna go to the other side, okay? So if you go to this side, you're gonna find two ways, as I told you, one on the left and one on the right. The left side is the castle of Ia, okay? From the right side, you're gonna find also a good spot of the Caldera, of course, but if you go further to the right side, you're gonna find even the windmills of Ia, okay? But you need to go further, okay? Don't go just standing and few meters away. Just go, okay? Just to warn you that everywhere you're gonna go to this side, it's gonna be probably overcrowded, okay? So I need to take care of yourself, of course, and be careful because they're gonna surround you, a lot of people, they're gonna push you, you're gonna be a little bit in struggle. So for this situation, I need you to take care of yourself. You're big kids, you know how to take care of yourself now, okay? So, to this side, once again, if you just go, you're gonna find on your left hand of your side a few narrow streets, okay? The fourth narrow street or the third narrow street is really, really beautiful just to take a lot of pictures of the spot, okay? Of the spot of Caldera, of the spot of course, of the sunset, everything that is really, really beautiful. And you're gonna find a lot of blue churches, blue dome churches over there, to the left, yes. To this side, once again, right and on the left side, okay? Not on the right, on the left, okay?
Tasted anything before, so sweet. All the days we spent together when we fell in love. What took for granted, now I stand here 'cause I miss your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. I miss the way that you say my name. You're too good. I'd never heard of anything before so sweet. All the days we spent together when we fell in love. What took for granted, now I stand here 'cause I miss your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. I've never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy. But you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. Are you getting tired of all my love, I need to know. Cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need someone around, someone to hold me down. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? Cause I wanna know that you'll be here, won't just go ahead and disappear. So can you do just one thing? Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Baby, I'm here and ready to commit, but your lack of dedication, I'm tired of it. So let me know if you're gonna love me or go. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in things every day? Cause I'm in this until the end. So just be real and don't pretend. Cause I can't love someone who's gonna go away. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Oh, And please tell me you still think of me, detailed and intricately. Does your heart still beat to the sound of my name? Cause I remember that we both promised to never leave a love like this. So tell me that you still feel the same. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers, baby? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers I must have been so sick for your touch to be the fix. Fell in love with being used. I wish showers me with gifts and flowers, but I miss taking showers with you. But you're so bad for me, but I want your love every morning. Waking up with him, but I wish you'd call me. I still miss our extreme. Like your come over text at midnight, rolling out of bed for your lies, putting glitter on my blind eyes. Loving you wasn't as it seemed, and finding good and bad and ugly. Deep down knowing you don't love me, I'd live again before the morning. Loving you was a fever dream.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.